I'm your host Sia, and today I have Samsung Galaxy Buds live with me. And I got it for a good price because this is last year 2020's model, and this year they have a newer model, that is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So when they launched it, it was around 15,000, and I have got it for around 12,000. And I have a personal reason why I got this and not the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. It's because I do not like the round silicone cup का जो end है, that completely shuts off all the noise. I don't prefer that, and I love the design because it doesn't have that one. And fact guys, this is the first Samsung earbuds that is made with recycled materials. So let's open it and see what's inside. And before opening, let me just read out what is there behind the box. It's given that 6 to 21 hours playback time. That is, the company says you can at a time you can use it non-stop for about 6 hours. And when the case is fully charged up to 100%, it can give a total playback time of 21 hours. And it says that here it has triple mics for clear call and active noise cancellation. Then again, I think without the ears getting completely covered with a design like that, the active noise cancellation is much better. But let's see how this one works. I can't find my blade right now, so I'm just going to open it with this pen. Okay, let's open. Wow. So it's a small and compact box. I think on the lid portion you can see all the documentations are here. And here is the buds with the case. It's pretty small, you know. Initially when I saw the picture on the website, I thought that isn't it gonna be a little bit bulky? But this is very small, and the color I chose is Mystic Bronze. It also comes in red, blue, and black and white. But I found this color really interesting and really good. And you can see here they have the Type-C port. So you also get a charging cable with the box. It's inside here. Here's the USB Type-C charging cable for the case. Type-C. And let's go ahead and open this box. So the speakers that comes with this are tuned by AKG, and it is written here Samsung Sound by AKG, as you can see. And it also supports magnetic charging, so the charger will go here on the bottom. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here you can see there's an indicator light, and the buds looks really good. It has got that shiny and glossy finish. And let's take it out. It has triple mics, two on the exterior, and one of the mic is an inner mic. And these are called the wing tips, and you also get an extra wing tip in the box that is slightly bigger. So according to your ear size, you can adjust it. You can either put a small one or a bigger one, the ear tips. So this is compatible with Android smartphones and tablets that has Android 5.0 and above, and also iPhone 7 and the later models with iOS 10 and above. And you can also connect it with your Windows 10 PC. And you get additional features with various models of Samsung Galaxy phones, which are given on the website, the names of the models like Galaxy Note 10, the S20 series, Z Flip and all that. But right now I have iPhone with me, and I'm just going to download the app, and let me just see what all features I can access with that. For Android users, from the Play Store you can download the Samsung Wearable app, and in iOS you have the Samsung Buds app. So I'm just going to go and download it, and we'll see all the features whatever is available in the iOS app. Okay, and for connecting it, I'm just going to open the case and keep, and I'm just going to follow the steps that whatever is shown in the app. Allow all the permissions, and I'm just going to go back and check the Bluetooth settings. As you can see, the buds are connected here. So here you have the charge percentage that is shown. So the buds has a battery capacity of 60 milliamp hour, and the box has around 472 milliamp hour. So here you can see the equalizer option. There is active noise cancellation. You can switch it on or switch it off, and also your battery life will also depend on that. If you switch it on, your battery will drain more. Long press and hold touch control you can customize on the app. You can customize it both on the right side and the left side. So there is also find my earbuds option, just in case if you've lost your earbuds, and if it is within the Bluetooth range, that is around 10 meters with the Bluetooth 5 version 5.0. You just have to go and click here, and the earbuds will produce an alert that sounds like a bird, and you can find the buds. So some of the additional features that you can get in the Samsung phones are, you have an option for integrated Spotify. That is, if you hold and press the buds, you can directly play your Spotify playlist. And also the wireless power share. So your Samsung phones must have minimum 30% charge, and you can just switch on the wireless power share, and you can keep your buds on the back of your phones. Okay, I've played a song here, and let's see how this works. Okay, I'm just going to insert the bottom side first. So the music is playing right now, and I can feel it's really... Oh, sorry, I just touched it, so it paused. I'm just gonna touch it again. Okay, it's playing again. And on the app, I'm just going to check the equalizer. Okay, I like the bass boost. Nice. It's actually good. Single tap for play pause, and if you double tap, it skips the track forward, and if you triple tap, it goes backwards. Okay. Oh, sorry. Confused. The sound is really good. Really, really good. Nice. That's all about Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I really love the product. The sound quality is just amazing for me. And if you also do not like the rubber cups that completely shuts off the background sound, and if you also feel stuffy like the way I do, you can always go ahead and get this, or you can get the newer version, that is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, that has the rubber cup design. That's all, guys. Please subscribe to our channel, also like our videos, share them, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. This is me, your host, signing off. See ya!